muingi. On behalf of the National Security Advisory Committee, I'm pleased to confirm that our nation remains peaceful and secure. We laud all Kenyans for a high sense of civic duty and for demonstrating tremendous patience as we waited for the declaration of the presidential election results. We also appreciate the National Police Service and all other security agencies for the tremendous work they did in maintaining law and order during the election period. The declaration of the presidential election results sets in motion other constitutional processes for the transition going forward. Finally, the National Security Advisory Committee wishes to assure all Kenyans and all other persons resident in our nation that the government has and continues to take all necessary measures to ensure that the entirety of the country is safe and secure. I therefore call on all Kenyans and the business community to resume their normal daily activities and get back to the business of building our great nation.